This was a blast. Our annual Client Appreciation Dinner, and we had a packed house here at the Oregon Grill. We had a great turnout, close to 175 people, and great food, music, drinks, just a great time. So we want to thank all of our clients, whether they're here tonight or not, for the opportunity to serve them, and we look forward to continuing our relationship for many years to come. This was a great night. Thanks to the staff and ownership of the Atlas Group here at the Oregon Grill. They do an amazing job. On behalf of our family and our team, Tracy, Lauren, everybody, I want to thank everybody for being here and the opportunity to serve you over the years. Nico, Marin, our team members who are here, it's a pleasure and honor. We look forward to this event. We have a lot of fun. Thanks to our partners, Legacy, Cinch, Lakeside, Frame House. Glad you're here. So, Tim would like to come back here next year. If sales are good, we come back. If not, anyway, thank you all. Have a drink, enjoy, and once again, thank you, everybody.